First calibration, do not panic. Here is the survival guide that keeps you from chasing ghosts, smoking loops, and looking confused in front of operations. In a 4 to 20 milliamp loop, 4 milliamps means the device is alive at 0%. 0 milliamps usually means dead loop, lost power, bad wiring, or a blown fuse. And no, ranging is not calibrating. Ranging sets the limits. Calibration proves the device is telling the truth against a real, traceable standard. If the whole line shifts up or down together, that is zero error. Same slope, wrong starting point. If the angle changes, that is span error. The low end may look fine, while the high end is lying straight to your face. Test it going up and test it coming down. Hit 5 points, 0, 25, 50, 75, and 100%. Not just 0 and span and a prayer. If the up test and down test do not match, that is hysteresis. Usually that means sticky parts, friction, backlash, or mechanical lag. Before you blame the output, check the input. No real input signal means no honest output signal. And do not break a live loop unless you mean it. Opening the circuit can trip alarms, upset controls, or make the whole plant suddenly hate your name. If the loop has protected test points or diode-style checkpoints, use them. Read the signal without opening the loop whenever you can. One more trap, reverse acting. Sometimes the process goes up and the output goes down on purpose. Weird does not always mean wrong. So grab a calibrator, use a traceable standard, and go calibrate something the right way. And big thanks to Tony Kupalt and the open source community for helping keep this trade smarter.